Hi guys, so welcome back. Today we are going to color our Gen X e-bike. This is a pure aluminum alloy 2021 and it's uncolored version. So we are going to color it, and we have decided to play with a few of the frames, coloring in different colors, and we'll show you how it comes across later on. So guys, the first coat of primer is now done, and now we are going to let it dry for maybe half an hour and then put the second primer coat again. So there has to be two primer coats before we start doing the colors and the clear coat later on. We have applied the first coat and the second coat of primer, and then we are letting it dry. It will take some time. It will actually take some I guess half an hour or 1 hour. We'll just let it dry. So it's all primer. This is a grey color primer. So you see, I don't know what's happening. Is it bubble? So the two coats of primer is all dried up now, and now we are painting it black, and we will have put two coats. The first coat is being done right now, and then in between both the coats we'll have it dried for like maybe half an hour between the two coats, and then we will leave it for like overnight maybe for the chroma coat to be put on later on. Yes. So now we applied primer, two coats, 15, 20, maybe half an hour in between the coats. Then we applied coats of black color, which is called base coat, and we kept it like for drying for 10-12 hours. Though even 1 hour is fine, but we just kept it overnight. And then now we are applying a green chroma code color. So this will give an effect of a purple color. You'll see in a while. It will give you an effect of purple color. Let's try. So what happens? Black mixes with green and somehow changes the color of the frame. Side, I think you can see the color of this thing turning purple. We can just have one coat or maybe even two coats. Hi guys, so we have painted the bike all coats. The first was primer, two coats. Then we painted the frame with a base coat black, and then let it dry for a few hours. Then we painted the frame with the clear coat, and then let it dry for the overnight. And now the bike is ready to be assembled, and we are just trying to assemble the bike. So we have started with putting together the crank set, the crank arm, and the crankset and the rear guard and those kind of parts. And then we'll be putting together the handlebar. You see, everything is out right now. So there will be a the gears, Shimano gears, this thing. There will be left and right brakes. There has to be horn, and there has to be the monitor. So all these things will be put together now in a few minutes, and then I'll keep you posted how the assembly work goes. Hi guys, so we have put together the colored frame, and now we have attached the front tire, attached the temporary seat, and we have put together the pedals, and we also had to pump the airs in both the front and the back tire. Give it a try to this bike, if everything looks fine or not. Yeah, everything looks fine. It's a temporary seat right now, and just testing if the assembly of the bike is fine or not. It looks to be everything is fine. Yeah. No, it's fine. Everything is absolutely what we wanted.